Mind to Matter 3D Printing and Design was created by our founder Malachi Smith in 2016. At the time he was a young entrepreneur who just had an idea. But he was passionate enough to turn that idea into a product. The problem was, he didn't want to spend several thousands of dollars on prototyping, but he still wanted to have a great product because the project was so unique and personal to him. 3D printing empowered his creativity and made it possible for him to inexpensively manufacture a great custom product. He was motivated by this experience and knew there were others with a similar problem and project they couldn't move forward with. As a result, he created this business and set out to make others' ideas a reality, truly bringing their projects from mind to matter.